In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan for games in the Epic Games Launcher, or more accurately, how to detect an already installed game using the Verify feature. This is super useful if you've already downloaded a game before, moved it to a different drive, or installed the files manually and want Epic Games Launcher to recognize it without starting the whole download again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This matters because the game has to belong to the same account that owns it in order for the launcher to verify it properly. Once you're inside the launcher, go to your library. This is where all of your owned and installed games are listed. Find the game you want to scan or detect. If the game is already in your library, click the three dots next to it. This menu gives you more options for managing the game. From the drop-down menu, click Manage. Inside the Manage section, you'll see the Verify button. This is the key step. Epic Games Launcher does not really have a direct scan folder option like some other launchers, but Verify is the closest and most reliable way to detect installed game files. When you click Verify, the launcher will scan the existing files on your computer and check them against the official game files. If most or all of the game files are already there, Epic Games will identify them and only download anything that is missing or damaged. That means you save time, storage, and bandwidth. After you click Verify, wait for the process to finish. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes. If the files are correct, the launcher will confirm the installation and the game should be ready to play. If something is missing, Epic will repair those files automatically. Now, if your game does not appear in the library at all, remember that this method only works when the game is already tied to your Epic account. If it's not showing up, you may need to redeem it first, or begin the install process and point the launcher to the existing folder if that option becomes available. But for most users, the Verify tool is the fastest way to scan for an installed game in Epic Games Launcher. So to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the three dots on your game, choose Manage, and then click Verify. That will scan your installed files and help Epic Games Launcher detect the game properly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.